Well, you wouldn't believe it, but these lifeless sticks here with no leaves, these deciduous young trees, are actually citrus. We are the hardy orange, Poncirus Trifoliata. We've got 4 of them which I grew from seed back in 2013. So we are 5 years old. So you can see they are fairly slow growing. For a young tree, I don't think this is bad growth. Citrus growers in the UK will know the hardship of wintertime growing this family of tree. So here is a nice easy alternative for those who are interested. So today we're going to be potting them up and also doing a bit of pruning. Just for anyone who's sceptical whether these really are citrus trees or not, there's a little bit of proof there. The classic orangey roots of a healthy citrus tree. You know your tree's suffering if the roots go brown or discoloured. So there it is in its new pot. We're going to cover it over now with some soil. Right, so that's the 4 hardy citrus all potted up. We've got a lot more room now for their roots. Yep, they're all looking great, healthy young plants. They are undoubtedly citrus. Just look at them stems. So in the spring, when these things are mature, they will just shower the area where they're growing with white flowers. And apparently they're very fragrant, they're very beautiful. These trees are reputed to be hardy down to -30, so they can take a lot of cold. Over the years I've kind of let these things just grow wild, just grow how they want to. And as you can see, the 2 in the foreground here, they're kind of growing into tree form. The 2 below, they look more like they're going to be small bushes, which is unfortunate. I want these things to reach their full potential and become the trees that they naturally would grow into. So I'm going to just give them a helping hand. I'm going to get rid of any low branches, suckers, and just kind of train these things. So what better time to start than now? I know the loppers are a bit overkill for the job, but it's all I've got, so let's do it. It's a bit hard to do this while filming with one hand, but there we go, that's one branch off this one. We're going to trim some of the upper branches here, just to kind of direct growth up the stem, up this way, towards the sky. So, these look like 4 brand new trees now. I've took quite a bit off really. It may look a bit harsh, but as you can see these things are looking a lot more slender, a lot more like they're reaching for the sky already. You can see a little pile of branches there which I've taken off. There's a lot of mass which came off the largest one, but look how much like a sapling this looks now, rather than a scrubby little bush. A lot also came off of this one, but it looks a lot more tree form now than turning into a small bush. Probably get some canes in so I can train him upwards like that, but we'll do that another day. So yeah, that's 4 hardy oranges, Poncirus Trifoliata, potted up and pruned.
Wake up in the morning.